The Imperial by H.W. Collender, extremely rare and considered the most luxurious pool table one can own. Buffalo Billiards in Petaluma, California has added the Imperial to its selection of luxury pool tables available to buyers wanting to find something exotic and rare for their game room. The Imperial is spectacular in every way, with hand-rubbed ebony top rails and mother-of-pearl sights, ornate sculpted highlights depicting exceptional designs from its Victorian era. The remarkable details on this cast-iron treasure were created over 140 years ago to model a hand-carved masterpiece. Etched into the iron body reads H.W. Collender, patented April 18, 1879. The Imperial is one of the rarest and most magnificent examples of American billiards heritage one can only hope to own. Luxury pool tables at Buffalo Billiards can typically range from $15,000 to $85,000. To connoisseurs of style and grace, rare billiard tables of another era are considered priceless. This artistic and historical piece is anything but typical and is priced at $250,000. Worldwide delivery is available. This Victorian sculpture is worthy of the finest home. To arrange for a private viewing and a chance to own this exceptional piece of billiard history, contact Buffalo Billiards at 1-800-400-4283 or visit us online at buffalo-billiards.com. Luxury awaits you.